Today I'm going to show you how I analyze my competitors in the AI space. And this is really interesting because you could literally apply this everywhere, even for the jobs you're going to be applying to, and I'll show you that in a moment. But I'm going to show you exactly how I will try to learn how my competitors. Now my competitors are people in the AI space, the content creators in the AI space, right? So as a new creator, I want to understand how these guys do their games. How are they successful? What are their products? What was their story? How did they start out? Why their best performing videos are performing really well, and why people trust them and follow them, all that kind of questions, right? So I'm going to show you how exactly to do that using Claude AI and YouTube. So that's my main source is YouTube, and I'm going to show you in a second how. So the first computer that I have is I usually go for the podcast they are called upon rather than their actual YouTube channel. Why? Because their actual YouTube channel is where they show their expertise, right? They show what they are doing, the projects or the product and everything. But when they go to a specific podcast, the interviewer asks them specific questions like, how did they start? What worked for them? You know, that kind of stuff. That kind of question is so deeper than the actual channel themselves. So I'm gonna go, still the channel is gonna be really great, but the idea here is I get to learn more about them in podcast. So the podcast I'm gonna go with is this podcast, and then I'm gonna go because I have a specific creator that I want to copy from. Actually, not copy, but more like understand what worked for them so that I could use that as well, right? And here's the thing, you have to learn from those people who have already made it. You have to learn from the successful people, right? So I have these two girls, these two ladies, this one, Ali and Sandy. So these guys are really good, and you're gonna understand why. So I'm gonna first go with this one. I'm gonna click on the video. Okay.
Influencers were ever a thing, and now I've accidentally become one. But it was a
So Ali, she's really big on LinkedIn. So I want to understand everything about her. So I'm gonna go to the transcript. There's another way you could do this, right? You could integrate to your Claude AI YouTube transcript API. So there's that, but I haven't tried that yet. I usually do this. I've been doing this with ChatGPT for years now. So I'm gonna copy all the transcript. I'm gonna go down. Yeah, I'm gonna copy this transcript, and then I'm gonna go to Claude AI. But first I'm gonna give it a prompt. I'm gonna ask it to analyze for me. So I'm gonna go with strategy. This is market strategy. Not really. Maybe you go to market. Okay, you know what? I can just make my own stuff. Okay. Hi Claude AI. Today I would want you to analyze for me my competitors in the AI space. This is Ali. She is one of the most top AI voice, most followed AI voice on LinkedIn, and I want to understand her background, how she became so successful in her expertise or field of expertise, who are her followers or her audience. The second one is her story. Tell me her background story, as well as the product. Her product. What is her product? I want to understand her product and how she came to build that product. Okay, make it as short, as simple as possible, and straightforward. I'm gonna share with you a YouTube transcript where she has done a full interview. So it's gonna be a full interview on another different channel. So I want you to understand everything, her product, what I've told you right now, and give me a really short summarized version. I don't want it to be long, and make it concise and precise, and something that I could utilize for myself and for my content. So I'm gonna give a transcript and start doing the work. Just so you know, I am not typing any of this. I'm using a different AI tool, which is a voice AI tool, Whisperflow. So I don't have to type anything. I just have to talk to my AI or add all the other tools. So basically, I'm using two AI tools right now, and I'll make another video on that. So I'm gonna paste the transcript. Let me first say, this is the transcript, and then I'm gonna paste it down here, and then Let's let the AI do the job. Got the name wrong. Okay, yeah. As you can see, it has given me a very I remember I told it to give me a very short analysis of this person, and he did. So Ali K. Miller is an AI educator who has been posting content daily about AI for nearly a decade, long before it became a trend. Okay, now when you look at how she built her following, she identified a gap earlier, as you can see, blah blah blah, all of that. You see, you get the idea of what I've done, right? So her product, she also runs an AI education and consulting workshops, advisory, and cohort-based programs. Longevity, she uses Claude AI to run her own content operation, build her own business tools, and all. So, in summary, she's an AI educator for non-technical business world, monetized through consulting, workshops, and advisory, built on a decade of daily content. As you can see, this is how I would do if this is how I analyze my competitors. I can't even go deeper, but because I don't want to make this video longer, so I'm just going to give you a simple idea of how you could utilize this to your advantage as well. I would have gone much deeper. I would have gone into her LinkedIn, got her LinkedIn link, her YouTube channel link, and then also look at some of her content, and also get some of those content and paste it here, and then do a deep analysis. But I'm just gonna make it simple here and just show you just a simple way you could do. I mean, you could go so crazy, really crazy, because I sometimes go really crazy. I'm like, bro, am I stalking someone? But that's how it is, right? So that's what I would do, and that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. The same I would have done with Sandy. I mean, Sandy is really incredible. This video, Sandy as well, I would have done with Sandy as well. Get full transcript, analyze, try to understand her background. I already did that. Actually, already did all of them. But I just want to show you how I would do, or rather, for someone who has no idea, at least they learn from this. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye.